What up, YouTube? This is Ben here at BAF. We're about to hit up a little lake for some topwater action. So the sun's still out, so I'm gonna start out throwing a frog. There we go, fish on. There we go. Come on, get out of the grass. I'm gonna get this guy out of the grass. He hit it hard. Give up already. There we go, he's up. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, he went another duck. Oh, yeah. And the whopper flopper. Nice one right here. Let this guy go. There. There you go. There we go. Second one on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah, he didn't get tangled on the weeds. He's a smaller one. No. He went under the dock. No, get out of there. Dang it. Blew it. Oh, fuck yeah. That's a beefier one. I thought he was small. He's kind of small. Maybe a pound. Oh yeah. And the number one thing that's hard to remember is when you set the hook, you have to swing kind of down. Because I popped off a couple fish swinging. You see that? Oh, that bird touched my leg. One should hit it right there. There you go, got him. On the frog. I'm getting away this time. Crap. He's full of crap. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a good one. Alright. Let's get this measuring mat out. He ate it good. Bad boy. That boy right there. Yeah. About 18-inch bass right there. Big guy. Maybe a pound and a half. Hopefully the camera got it. Right before I let him go. Right before I let him go, my camera died exactly when I was letting him go. Let's hope we got him. Put my stuff away. There you go, fish on. I knew it. Gave it some good action. Ah, he popped off. Fuck it. And something's definitely gonna hit it. And the only thing I suggest is, because you have to remember, you see that? I missed the hook set. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, I got a bite. Dude, that fool hit it hard. That fool hit it. I can't. How the heck am I FaceTime you? How the heck am I gonna, dude, how am I gonna FaceTime you? I need to catch the fish first. Oh, dude, he's stuck. The top water, that's all I'm throwing, dude. I don't know, cause these fools, oh, he's big, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Say what's up to YouTube. Look at this bad boy. Another fish. Oh, papa, topwater king. Oh, dude, I got another bite. Dude. I'm filming right now, dude. Yeah. Oh, it's a good one. Another one bites the dust. Hell yeah. They're getting it right now. That was the fourth fish of today. All on top water. Let's see. There we go. It's the smallest one of today. A itty bitty thing, but still a fish. Hell yeah. Ah, he missed it. Oh my goodness. Another fish missed it. The one thing about fishing top water, that the fish miss it quite a bit. But it's such a good action, so. Holy crap, those are way too many gnats. I'm out of here. Hopefully you guys could see me, but it got dark and a bunch of little fucking gnats came out and it was crazy. It was about millions of them all around me, so I had to head out. The total was 5 fish. Thank you guys for following, liking, and subscribing. It really helps us out a lot, and we'll keep on coming for you guys. Peace.